Hi everyone, this is Leo. You're welcome to the continuation and the fifth part of the tutorial. So without wasting much time, let's continue. Before I do anything else, let's load in another reference image of the front view so we get to see exactly what we are doing. So I'm going to load that in, and you can see there is a bit of details in the front here, which is this curved part here. It seems to protrude just slightly outwards. So let's see how we can replicate that. I'm going to my front view. Let's go into edit mode, and I'm going to select this vertex, and holding Control, let's also select these and extrude along the X over here. I'm also going to select this vertex, and let's press F to create a face there, and just slide these in place. Select that also, and let's just align it properly. Okay, let's select these and extrude one to this point. Go to side view and let's move that backwards like that. Let's go back into front view and let's extrude another over here and move it backwards here too. Alright, so let's select these two vertices and press F to create a face there. Select these also and let's create a face. And finally, let's select these two and create a face. And inside view, I'm going to select this one, which is this, and let's move that forward slightly like that. And I'm going to select these two and let's delete them for now. And holding Alt, let's left click here, and Shift Alt, let's also left click here. And I'm going to extrude that along the Y just slightly. Okay. Let me slide these well. Okay. Select this vertex and let's extrude one here. And let's move it backwards over here. Extrude another. Let's move it back. And let's extrude the last one here. And also move it back. Okay, and I'm gonna select this vertex, and in front view, let's press F to create a face, and let's slide it back like this. Select these two and let's slide it. Select these and just slide it back. Okay, let's select these and extrude one here. And let's move that backwards like that. Let's press F, move this here. Press F, let's move this here. Alright, so let's select these one. With this still selected, let's also select this one and press F to join them together. And I'm gonna add two vertices here. Let me move this backwards here. And let me also move these two here. Okay, select these, and let's press F to fill them all the way there. Okay, let me slide these down a bit. And also, let me push this Okay, all right. Let's go to side view and let me move this forward just slightly. Okay. I'm gonna select these vertices and let's also select these to select everything here and press N to bring this tab out and come over to the item tab here and let's increase the main crease to about, let's type in 0.9. Okay, and I'm going to select these two vertices and go to side view. Let's push them out slightly. And I'm also going to select these and let's bring it over here. Okay, and maybe we can also move these out slightly too. Okay, so let's continue with the top part here and see how we can start adding a bit of details to this. So let's go back into edit mode and I'm gonna press Alt H to bring these back and press Alt left click to select all these vertices and holding Shift select this vertex and with Control select the last one here to select everything here and let's press Shift D to duplicate those and press Ctrl I to invert the selected ones and H to hide the other one and let's add 4 vertices here and selecting these two I'm gonna press F to fill it all the way up there and go into edge selection and select this edge and select these two and press Ctrl X to dissolve them and let me bring this down just a bit. Okay, so in back view I'm gonna select these vertex and okay, before that let's add a loop cut here. All right, so select that vertex and let's extrude it here and move it back to align it to these other vertex and I'm gonna select that again and let's press F to create a face and select these two and press F. I'm gonna select these two and press F. Press F. Okay, I'm gonna select these also and let's press F and slide it back to align it to these and selecting these two, I'm gonna press F. Bring it back. And let me add one vertex here and move it back slightly. Select these and press F. Select these two and press F. Let's move it here. Okay, so let's go into object mode and right click and shade smooth it. All right. Okay, so I'm going to add in a circle and just before you click anywhere else, just come over to this tab here and type in 16 to give us 16 vertices and let's disable clipping for now and go to top view, and let's scale that circle down like that, and let's grab it here. Let's scale it down even more. Okay, go to side view and let's grab it up here and rotate it to align to this shape. Okay. So I'm gonna press E to extrude, right click to cancel that extrusion, and let's press S to scale it over here, and E again to extrude, and let's scale it out even more, making sure that the outer vertices are almost aligning to this outer circle here. Okay, so I'm going to side view, and I'm gonna grab those down here like these, and selecting these vertices, which is these three here, I'm gonna grab them up here like these. I'm gonna select these also and bring them down. Select these and let's grab them up, and make sure you're in wireframe mode so you can select on both sides. So back to side view, I'm gonna select these also, and let's grab it here. Select these and move it there. And let's bring this down a bit more. Okay. Let's go to top view and let's just align them properly back to that outer circle. So select and move it here. And make sure you don't slide them, just grab them to align. Okay. Let's go to object mode and right click and let's shade smooth that. Select all these vertices and let's increase the min crease all the way to 1. Okay. Alright. Let's go to side view, and in wireframe I'm going to select all these vertices, which is all of these, and let's move them up here like this. Let's also select these and move them up as well. Let me load in. Okay. Okay, all right. Okay, so I'm gonna select these vertex and also select these, and let's press F to join them together, and press F again to create a face here, and let's press A to select everything and Shift N to recalculate the normals. And I'm gonna add a vertex here, and let's slide it to align it to these other vertex. And selecting these two, I'm gonna press F to create a face. Let's select these also, press F, and let me add another vertex here. Select these two, press F again, and press F last time there. Okay. Okay, so let's select this vertex and press F to create a face. Go to top view and let's grab that vertex over here like that. Let's go to side view and let's move it backwards just slightly. Okay, and I'm going to select these two vertices, press F to fill that, and selecting these and these, let's press M and choose at center to merge both of them at the center. Let's go to back view and just slide it up here to this outline here. Okay, let's select these two also, press M, choose at center, and I'm going to slide that up as well. And let's select these and press F to fill that. Select that vertex too and press F to create a face. Select these as well, press F, and select these and extrude over here. And it's not clipping because we disabled clipping, so let's enable that again. And press GX, move it backwards till it clips at the center there. Okay, I'm going to select these vertex and press F, GX, move it till it clips. Select these also, press F, GX, and I'm going to add an edge loop here. Okay, let me slide these backwards and let me add a vertex here. Select these and press F to fill. Select these also, press F, GX, and let me slide these over here. Let's select these two and press F to fill that there. And I'm gonna select these and these, press M, choose at last, select these also, choose at last, and this last one as well, choose at last. Okay, let me slide these up here. Okay, all right. Okay, so let's continue filling the remaining parts here. So I'm gonna select these and also select this one, and let's go into edit mode. And before anything else, let's select these two vertices and bring them down slightly like this. Okay, and let's come over to the snapping tool and choose vertex and select these to turn it on. Let's select this vertex and press F to create a face. And with this snapping tool on, let's press GZ and move your mouse cursor to this vertex down here to snap the first one to it. Okay, let's also select these and press F, and let's move it on the X till it clips at the middle like that. And let's also snap it to this vertex, so press GZ, move your mouse cursor here to snap it. Okay, let's turn this off for now, and let's select these two vertices and also bring them down slightly like that. Let's turn this back on. Select these and press F and press GZ. Let's bring that there to snap it. Let's also select these and press F. Move it on the X to clip at the middle. Okay. Select these also. Press F and GZ. Move it here. Select these and press F and move it on the X till it clips at the middle there. Alright. For this last one, I think we don't need to snap it, so let's turn this off. Select it and press F. Select these also and press F, and let's move it on the X till it clips at the middle there. Okay. Okay, so let's round this up here. And in the next part, we're going to start adding a lot of details to this. So we're going to be adding the buttons, the analogs, and any other thing we need to add to make this looking cool. So we can finish this as soon as possible. So thank you for following along again to this point, and see you in the next part.